These heavy-duty AutoChat jumper cables use a zero-gauge design and generous 30-foot length to deliver strong, reliable current even to larger vehicles parked nose-to-tail or side-by-side. The thick, tightly wound copper-clad cable and solid construction handle demanding starts for powerful gasoline and diesel engines without noticeable voltage drop. Oversized, spring-loaded clamps with deeply serrated jaws bite securely onto battery posts and grounding points, while the insulated handles keep hands safely away from live contact. A rugged outer jacket stays flexible in very low temperatures and resists heat in warmer climates, so the cables remain easy to coil and untangle in harsh weather. The durable vinyl coating helps shield the conductors from corrosion and abrasion, and the shaped grips make it easier to position and remove the clamps with control. AutoChat includes a fitted carrying case along with gloves and small cleaning brushes, making it simple to store the cables neatly and maintain clean battery connections on the road.